Duane Stephenson lifestyle, reggae career, and net worth. Duane Stephenson is a Jamaican reggae artist known for his smooth, soulful vocals and meaningful lyrics. Born and raised in Kingston, Jamaica, Stephenson grew up surrounded by music, deeply influenced by the sounds of reggae legends like Bob Marley and Dennis Brown. His dedication to conscious reggae has distinguished him as one of the genre's most inspiring voices, connecting with audiences through themes of love, social justice, and empowerment. Stephenson's journey began as part of the reggae group Oasis, where he honed his skills as a singer and songwriter. Though the group achieved local success, it was his solo career that brought him wider recognition. His breakthrough came with his debut album, From August Town, 2007, named after his hometown and a testament to his roots. The album's title track, August Town, became a hit and resonated deeply with listeners, capturing the struggles and resilience of Jamaican life. The success of the album established Stephenson as a powerful storyteller with a unique voice in reggae, and his messages of peace and social consciousness quickly gained him a loyal following. Building on this momentum, Stephenson released his second album, Black Gold, in 2010, further solidifying his reputation as a socially conscious artist. The album featured tracks like Better Tomorrow and Sufferer's Heights, which delved into issues affecting Jamaica and the world at large, including poverty, crime, and the hope for a brighter future. This album was lauded for its thought-provoking content and Stephenson's heartfelt delivery, establishing him as one of the leading voices in modern reggae. He has since collaborated with reggae icons like Luciano and Jah Cure and joined forces with Terrace Riley and Dean Fraser on various projects, each collaboration showcasing his versatility and dedication to roots reggae. Stephenson's third album, Dangerously Roots, 2014, brought him even more recognition. The album includes a notable rendition of Bob Marley's classic Belly Full and other tracks that highlight his socially conscious lyrics and soulful sound. His dedication to preserving the essence of reggae has earned him respect both within Jamaica and internationally. Over the years, he has performed on stages around the world, including major reggae festivals like Reggae Sumfest and Rototom Sunsplash, where his heartfelt performances resonate with audiences far beyond the Caribbean. Lifestyle-wise, Stephenson keeps a relatively private life compared to other reggae stars, focusing instead on his music and family. He is known for his humility and dedication to his craft, often choosing to remain out of the media spotlight. He continues to live in Jamaica, finding inspiration in his surroundings and staying connected to his roots. Though exact figures on Stephenson's net worth are not publicly available, his success over the years, coupled with consistent performances and album sales, suggests a net worth estimated between $1 million and $5 million. His wealth comes primarily from music sales, performances, and collaborations, but it is clear that his primary focus is on creating impactful music rather than amassing wealth. Duane Stephenson's reggae career embodies the essence of roots reggae, bringing heartfelt messages to audiences worldwide. His dedication to socially conscious music has solidified his legacy, making him one of Jamaica's cherished voices in modern reggae.